Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this Cadillac key fob battery. Very common key fob used for different years, different models. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so first what we have to do is to take the emergency key out. We push this button right here and we take the key out. Now I take the flathead and what I do, I just insert the flathead, okay, right about here, give or take, and then I pull up, okay, and down. Now as you can see, do it gently, very gently. There is a gap right here and I just open the key fob, okay, once again gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure, and it opens. You can now just open the key fob, okay, this is the chip, you don't want to touch that, put it aside. Now I just have to take the battery out underneath. Once again, let me show you right here. This is a good battery, so I will use it again. As I said, CR2032, face down, put it back. Now do it this way, okay, not the other way around, because the chip will fall. So we do it that way. Make sure tighten everything, it's all good. Put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. That's it. Let us know what you think. Thank you.